Valerie.
What?
You have to understand that my house is the fourth one down.
Okay, I understand. Wait, where is it?
You have to understand that my name is Nathan. My house is right there, the fourth one down.
Where?
The fourth one down.
1, 2,
Valerie.
3.
You have to understand that Ricky's very stupid.
I understand.
Valerie, you have to understand. One day in life, you're gonna grow up.
Oh. Oh, where is your house again?
Valerie, you have to understand that my house is the fourth one down.
Okay. The fourth one down.
You have to understand that this isn't my house. That is. Not this, that.
Okay. But that's the third one now.
Valerie, you have to understand that this isn't the first house. That is.
Okay. I understand.
Valerie, you have to understand that this is a purple phone.
No, it's the green.
Valerie, you have to understand that one day you're going to get your braces off. Everybody does.
Okay.
Talk about your shoes.
You have to understand that we're going to walk on the sidewalk, not the grass. Okay. Valerie, you have to understand that it's... What time is it? Anyways, it's food. Okay. You have to understand that the school is over. You have to act all polite now. Thank you. Valerie, you have to understand that these are shoes. Valerie, you have to understand that that's the Navy car, and my house is right next to it.
Okay. Oh, right there?
No. Valerie.
Yes, Nate.
Over there. We're almost there. But if you keep stopping and saying Mace, we're never going to get there. Valerie.
Is that your car? And your
No. No, go. No. No.
Valerie, over